Hi everybody! So today's video is about using register to help you in your improvisations. So register is the musical word for how high or low you're playing. So the highest register on the piano is up here, the lowest register, I don't know if that's on the camera, is all the way down there, and then you have higher or lower relative to each other registers on the piano. And so in music, contrast is a really important tool, doing switching from high to low or loud to soft or changing moods. And you don't always have to use contrast. A lot of really awesome music doesn't use contrast, but especially when improvising, it can be a really interesting way to take on a new direction and provide new inspiration. So the prompts that I put on Instagram today is specifically using high and low contrasts. And you can combine that with other kinds of contrasts. And something I always ask my younger students to do when I'm very first teaching them the ideas about dynamics is to make sure that they play loud high sounds and quiet low sounds, because a lot of times when they're first introduced to it, they think that since it's easier to create a quiet sound up here, that high kind of means quiet and low means loud. But obviously that's not the case, but it can be a really kind of gut reaction that it's hard to get away from. So yeah, those are just some random musings on the idea of contrast, specifically related to register. But yeah, let's do some improvising. So let's play around with high and low. I hope you enjoy.